nuts off.
There's a snake tail.
We are headed to the lake, baby. How cool is that? June 3rd, 2022. Got ourselves a ripper. Let's fire it up.
Might float away. Don't die. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Look like going down to the back a little bit.
Well, doesn't seem to be sinking yet.
Yeah, it looks like it's squatting back a little bit.
Ready?
I think that thing's got a weight limit.
$3.99, baby.
It's pretty low.
Oh, not good.
Come on, you got you don't need any throttle to start it. This button? Yeah, green button on top. A little bit of throttle, I like.
He's cruising.
It's got a top speed of like 38.
That's perfect.
Yeah, it's gonna have a top speed of like 10 with me and you.
Wow, he's cooking.
Like,
Whoa. Turn, turn, turn.
Riding a brick.
Yeah, I bet. Oh God. Yeah, it seems like one of those kids' toys you put in a bathtub, like the little boats. And just, yep. Oh, jeez.
hey, what's going on? I got a jet ski. She said that's something. You coming? Come on, we're doing it. Oh yeah.
Already like about to sink.
It's not.
It's a one person.
It's not.
It's a one person.
Come on, it's a two-seater.
No.
We're doing it. Come on. If it doesn't work, we'll spin around.
I can't just sit here peacefully and watch you do your thing. It'll be good.
No.
Yeah.
You coming?
Or it's gonna like sink.
It's not gonna sink.
It's gonna
I promise you it's not gonna sink.
It already looks like it's sinking.
It's not sinking.
You really suck, you know.
Love you. It's a beluga whale.
We're not doing any of your like
No, no tricks.
we're going like super slow and like straight.
Super slow and straight. Tricks are illegal. Stick. Come on. Christ. What'd you say? Whoa, look at all the crawfish. That's so cool.
Where are you going?
I gotta aim it out, otherwise we'll never be able to get off.
Get out.
Right now.
hate you so much.
All right, get as far forward as you can. Oh, we're good. All right, green button. Let go, let go. Can you loosen that? Nice job. And scoop forward a tiny bit. There you go. The current's so strong. You stand up with me? There you go. Stand up. Lean into me. You're good. You gotta put your feet forward a little bit. Hang on. She'll get up. She's getting up. Come on, baby. Hang on, hang on. I think we gotta get some momentum. Okay, I think she's a one-person jet ski. I ate one too many cheeseburgers. How do you like our jet ski? Will you take it out yourself?
Just a little bit.
Yeah? Okay. Can you take that off me? So when I come in, I just lug it in, and then right before I hit the sand, I just... I don't know where the off button is because I can't see anything. Okay, cool. Now we're good to go.
Where's the off button?
Right under your thumb. See it?
So I just press the off button and head towards the sand, and you'll catch me?
So you have to get as close as you can before you shut it off, but I'm saying don't use any throttle on your way in.
Okay, just let it
Yeah,
go.
so when you hit there, you should be looking almost upriver. And then just kind of, so like swing it down in between the piers here, and then right before you make it through the piers, you should be facing me, and then just give it a little bit of throttle until you get sort of like right before you're gonna start hitting the shallower area. Then just let off on the throttle. You can just lug it in because it moves under its own power. So the important thing to know about jet skis is they only steer under power, right? So if you
But it was really close to you. I think I'm good. I think I'm good. I think that was my sign. And
You sure?
That's not a snake. Okay.
Are you sure there's a snake?
I'm positive. It was a orangey snake.
Oh my
swimming
God.
towards me.
Okay.
No, I'm really okay.
Okay, we're time to go.
You can go back out.
Yeah, I'll go back out. That's fun. I'm good. I can die.
Don't die, but
Orange?
orange.
Big?
Relatively decent
Can you
size.
get off the jet ski? That's hilarious. Why is it every time we come here there's a snake attacking me?
This is where snakes go.
Oh, to the boat launch?
I don't like this.
All right, we're going to the lake. The snakes aren't allowed at the lake, right? That would be hilarious. Sure you don't want to go? Okay. hitting the start button. No snakes allowed. No snakes. Oh, we're good. Yeah. All right, final inspection. Is she fired back up? Cool. Almost no water. Very cool. Didn't use a lot of gas. Neato. All right, let's go home.